morning, everybody. I'm here with Marco, and I would first like to thank Adam for letting us use his wonderful shop to install this cage kits.
Well, that's how we're starting today.
This cage kit's cage. So, what do you think?
I'm nervous, excited. I've had a few people install these before, and they keep hyping it up, so I'm excited to see what all the hype's about.
Yeah.
But it looks really sick.
Yeah.
It looks really nice.
We're just excited we don't have to cut and notch, and we just get to weld. Well, I'm not really welding. I gotta fix Marco's car.
What are you doing today? This is what I'm doing.
I'm doing a timing belt. Just regular maintenance stuff like I do every day. So, anyways, we're gonna get started on the car, so stay tuned.
I mean, this is just a big moment.
It's like Christmas
Christmas in June at 100 degrees.
Actually, my birthday was last week ago exactly, so it's like my birthday.
Happy birthday to yourself.
It's a late birthday present.
Happy birthday to yourself. There you go. It's his first time with a razor blade, believe it or not. He's a natural.
Nice, strap down.
So this is what they were talking about with the laser etching. You can kind of see that. So it lets you know where to put the tubes. And you just glue the shit together. Very nice, I'm excited. Nervous, but excited. It's not my car,
I'm not
right?
nervous.
I already have a cage in my car.
Yeah, I'm not nervous. You got a fire extinguisher, right?
Somewhere, and one of these cars will have one.
I think I left mine at home.
That's fine. Fire part comes from what we're about to do is welding the boxes in. Because there's all the MIG welding and all the glue is still on there and the crap, the seam sealer. So that's where the fire comes from. After that, you're golden.
Yeah, when I did my first cage, I definitely caught it on fire.
Same.
And I grabbed the fire extinguisher and it was like, poof, nothing came out. Don't buy Harbor Freight fire extinguishers.
Well, what happens is when they sit for a long time, you're supposed to smack them on the ground because it loosens all the stuff up at the bottom and then you don't die. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, I had to grab like the hose.
Hose always looking out, dude.
Yeah, yeah. So right now we're going to test fit the main hoop to see if I can keep my sunroof without modifying anything. We don't really want to modify anything, so if we do have to, we're just going to scrap the sunroof. Alright, so confirm that you can't do it the way it is with the sunroof, and we don't want to modify the cage. So we're just going to take the sunroof housing out, because this thing is now a full race car. You know, I said I was going to keep this thing a street car. Full interior AC. I'm such a liar. 2, 1.
Oh. So dramatic, yeah. Nice.
Got it.
Straight to the dumpster, dude. Kidding. Whew. The Kentucky Derby, dude, with this fucking hat right here.
Hell yeah. Is that new trends?
Yeah.
You want to see something funny, Marco?
What's up? What you got there? Oh my god.
Gotta save on insurance.
Yeah. It's more like you don't want them to know what it's like. So we see you drive this car once every 6 months, but when you do, it's 100% throttle the whole time. Is there an edge on the base plate? No, I don't think so. There's another one. Oh, this is for the
This has the door bars here.
So, want to attack this guy in?
Okay. Alright, I got Marco's timing belt and crank seal, water pump, all that good stuff done. Let's go check on him, see if he's finished. So, how'd it go, sir?
So far, so good.
Just about done?
Yeah. I mean, honestly, what takes the longest time is all the base plates. So you gotta take all the paint off, take all the glue off. Like that really takes most of the time and just get everything fitted right. So I'd rather take my time with that, and then once everything's set, just weld it out and bust it out. But
the main hoop in.
A-pillar bar,
Halo tacked, A-pillar bars, dash bar, all that stuff is tacked.
Your intrusion bar plate is basically in there on that side, but I ran out of welding wire, so we're gonna have to run to the old. I like Lowe's better than Home Depot. Are you a Home Depot guy or a Lowe's
I'm a
guy?
Home Depot guy. It's way cleaner.
It's a broken home. Anyways,
Plus,
they got smaller aisles.
I don't think.
The aisles are small.
Well, I don't think Lowe's, or I don't think Mike would let you shop at Home Depot. Big Lowe's guy.
Yeah, true.
Alright, so it's day 2 with the cage kits. We ran out of welding wire yesterday, so got some new one. And we're going to continue on. And we're finishing today, right? Oh yeah.
We are.
We are. Even if half the cage is welded, I'm taking it home. Taking it home. Tom, if you're watching, you're going to finish it. Alright, so I am doing some trimming right here. As you can see, I already started. There was a plate here I unbolted, so I'm going to cut just along here and just cut this whole section out, kind of line it up with that, and that'll give us plenty of room for the down bar to come in. So, alright, I'm going to get back to cutting. Alright, so I got this cut out, and here's the plate. Should sit somewhere about there. We'll get the bar set up just to see exactly where it'll line up. So I'm gonna cut the other side now. Alright, I got this side cut out. Did a little bit better a job. Got the plate mounted. I'm just trying to do a bunch of stuff that that I can do because Marco's doing all the welding. So I'll probably prep this for welding for him, and then I'm going to start taking the door panels off. Just advising everybody, this cage is for like full-on race car, not street car cage. So just be advised at this point. You're gonna have to cut your interior. Alright, so now I'm gonna remove the door panels because, as you can see, it's not gonna work out. So bye-bye door panels.
Because, you know, I've always wanted to feel like a pickup truck from South Carolina. So
as you can see, we're in a well-lit shop, but it's still very dark in this car.
can't see shit in this car.
You know?
Thankfully, you don't have to. So if you come over here, you can see it too. I'm probably just blinding the camera.
Yeah, probably.
Probably.
Here you go, take over.
But you can see the laser etch right there, and I'm just gonna scoot the bar to where a little bit over, a little bit over. I don't know, like there-ish. Okay, it's like blurry. And then she lines up.
Yeah,
like
obviously
I'm just gonna move the plate, and then we're gonna center that puppy and weld all that in. That's the last thing I was waiting on because I didn't want to get crazy with the door bars and the intrusion bars, and then tackle that or weld that in, and then it's fixed. And then it turns out the main hoop had to go one way or the other. So I wanted to at least get the rear bars in and see if they line up well, which they do. Too bad there's a UFO in the background of this video. So
hold on.
You look good. You look like you're from Star Trek.
Did it work?
Just move them down so they're in front of your eyes. There you go.
Do it look like
You look like
RoboCop?
Cyclops from X-Men. Oh man, they actually are helping a lot though. So
Let me see. Hold on.
we're goofing on right now. We should be working. There you go.
Wait.
Nope.
There it goes.
Oh, what?
Yeah. So
What?
if you wave your hand, on, off,
What the
on,
heck?
off. This is great, especially when your hands are dirty and you don't want to push the button, so you just, hey,
Huh? Hey, what's up, dude?
so,
I'm gonna get out of here.
alright.
Dang, dude. I can't wait for you to watch this and be like, oh my god, we're idiots.
Yeah, for sure.
For sure.
They're
Confirmed.
They're never gonna post this video.
They're never going to share this. But hey, the bar lines up. The bar lines up. I have to like get my lighting in order now. Now it's on me. Oh, god.
There you go. There you go.
UFO's back.
So yeah, be sure to check out Odelfi headlights. They're a lot better than the headlights I've tried in the past. You know, you get 3 different functions. You get the wave feature, and they're going to offer a discount in the link below. So please order through that link and enjoy. Thanks. So as you can see, before I remove the door panels, Marco got the front door bars fitted. It looks like I can keep probably the top part of the door panel, which would be cool. I don't know about the speaker, but obviously I don't have a radio, so I don't think the speaker's a big deal. But if I can keep the door handle and like the window switch, that would be sick. So we'll see when we get to that point. Alright, so Marco is fully welded everything down in here. Did a little combination of MIG on the thing here, on the base plate, and TIG on the pipes. So it looks good. We're going to move to probably taking these, but placing the door bars in so nothing moves and everything still fits when it heats and expands. All right, just doing a little small update where Marco's getting everything like tacked in. We got all the door bars tacked. Looking good. Over there, excuse the mess. The down bar tacked there. Oh, Jesus. Lord. All right, I'm gonna put the camera down. It's making him nervous.
Yeah.
Well, it's all done. Marco did it. I just did a little bit today. He did all the welding. So
I mean, he was using the foot pedal.
I did. I was, you know, I'm like half of a TIG welder now.
A little bit less.
A little bit more. All the way.
Just right.
Just right. Anyways, it is all done. Let's take a look at it. So I did have to cut the doors to fit. You could probably do the top half of the door panel if you wanted, but you're gonna have to cut the bottom half of the door skin for sure. It does not come with steering column brackets. I assume that's because some people are gonna run a custom column, or depending on your height and all that stuff. But take a look. Nice door bars, nice TIG welds. Everything looks fantastic. Excuse the mess on the inside. I have to deal with that once I get home. But yeah, this thing is sick. So overall, definitely happy with the fitment of the cage. I'm happy Marco convinced me to buy this cage, you know, or else I was gonna go somewhere else. He was like, no, get the cage kits and I'm gonna weld it in for you. I said, fine, deal. And then he made me do his timing belt. So, but that's fine. It was way easier than the cage. But overall, I'm very happy with the purchase, and the car is almost ready for clutch kickers now. But now I have to rewire everything, and he's trying to convince me to paint the inside red too.
Yep.
I don't know, you know, we'll see, we'll see. Rattle can looks fine in pictures, you know. So, anyways, until the next video. Also, before I end the video, I would like to thank Adam for letting Marco do this in the nicest shop I've ever been in. And also thank you to Duarte at drift.hq. Big shout out to those guys. I really appreciate it. Thank you.